So guys, welcome to another brand new video. Today's video is a little bit different to what I'm normally having on my channel right now. It's about a car mod, premium, top quality, steering wheel covers. I have gone for full red Alcantara. It comes in just like this in a box like that. Comes in with like a little tucking tool, so you can tuck it into there, into the little gaps. You get a needle and your thread. So let's get this started. Okay, good. So we've got our threads, we've got the needle. That's the company. Shout out to these guys. Steering wheel cover actually feels pretty sick. Like, it feels pretty high quality. I believe I paid like £65 for this, which I don't think is bad. I don't think it's bad. First things first, I need to remove these shift paddles. Oh, I did not like the sound of that. What to do is I'm going to put this through the shift paddles first, so that way I don't have to do it later once it's actually in place. Very quickly learning with this is definitely have to make sure that you align it perfectly, just purely because otherwise you're going to end up getting creases in the corners, which obviously you don't want. Looking pretty sick, to be honest. Once this is all done, and then you're going to have the paddles from the back, red on red. It's going to look sick.
On problems I solve them, I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling.
Guys, this process is very time consuming, so make sure you got yourself a day or a half a day at least to do this. But I'm pretty sure all of this is going to be worthwhile because this feels amazing. I mean, this feels like top quality. So I've tucked half of it in, took that in, took this in. I did tuck this in, but it didn't feel right, so I've kind of took it back out, and I'm going to tuck it back in later on. So yeah, it's time for stitching. So we've got our needle. So yeah, make a knot. I'm going to make another one to make sure it stays in, as I'm going to be pulling it pretty tight to make sure that there is no gap.
I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling.
Guys, my camera's dying. I'm going to quickly show you, and I'm going to have to put the camera on charge. But have a look how sick this is actually going. Yo guys, I am halfway done. Check this out. It looks absolutely sick. Guys, I can't even imagine, like, I can't even tell you how sick this feels. This is the best £65 I have ever spent. Like, the quality of this and like the stitching. Just imagine these are on. Oh my god, sick. Like, I'm speechless, bro. I'm actually speechless. Guys, PHBits, like, you've blown my mind. I am super excited and happy about this.
Need a light for the ideas, I'm in the splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up in my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Man, fuck these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace. Mom's is worried, I need to change my ways. I maybe cop the crib, I need the redwoods. Rake the leaves up from the money trees. Plant the seeds right behind the scenes. I painted the dream how I live it. When smart and beware, they venom. I swear that I'm sick, I've got issues. I'm sick with these bars, bitch, I'm privileged. Bent off a sips of elixir. Bankroll need the commas and digits. My mannered, I'm honest intended. Lay low, not too much for attention. But Ben had shit poppin', I mentioned. The shit in this life, I'm offended. Fuck it, it's clear, I get it though. Give a fuck less about how they feel, that's my mood. My life been the tree, that shit looking vibrant. The pilot they know on fly shot it. Not much to say about the product, goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about.
Yo guys, my camera died last night, so sorry about that. Anyway, today's the next day. The steering wheel is fully finished. It looks so sick. I cannot wait to show you this. It's all finished. I managed to get it all done last night. I finished about 9:30, and it was just fully dark. I did put the camera on charge, but it was fully dark, so you know, you wouldn't have seen anything anyway. But yeah, check this out. As you can see, the steering wheel is fully sick. The quality of this is just unreal. I did have a little go on it and have a little drive, and it just feels so premium, so high quality. I did manage to actually speak to the guys down at PHAT to, you know, just have a chat with them, see who the owner is. So shout out to Harrison and Tom. These guys, they built this business themselves. So a big shout out to you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. So yeah guys, that is the end of the video. So if you stayed to the end, please make sure you hit that subscribe button to let me know that you've enjoyed it. Smash that thumbs up, and I'm gonna come to you with more videos like this if this is what you want to see.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems I solve them. I run through the money.